Okay, so we're just doing a super quick video today, and this is focusing on how you go about getting the exploit that we use to get a foothold on the buff Hack the Box machine up and running. I saw a lot on the forums that there are people having issues with it and not understanding what these errors are, and why they're running into them. So hopefully this helps if this is a problem you've been running into. Ready? I think I'm also just gonna address this issue that I was seeing a lot in the forums, where people were getting stuck with the unauthenticated remote code execution here, this last exploit. And the reason why people are running into this issue is because that exploit is actually using an older version of Python. It's not Python 3. And so if we were to try and run the exploit with Python here, we're actually using Python 3.9.2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab this exploit. Ooh, that's the wrong button. Use TAC M to grab this and copy it over to our current working directory here. So now you can see it is here. And when we try and run this, if we were to just try and use Python, we immediately run into errors. I know I didn't actually provide it with the information it needs to finish running, but right away we're having some missing parentheses errors, which is generally a good sign that the Python program that you're trying to run is actually meant for that older pre-Python 3 version of Python. So now if we actually go ahead and run this with Python 2.7 here, it's with a 4. See what it gives us. We get a fail when we try to import the requests module. So if we look here, import error, no module named requests. Well, how do we fix that? I saw that it was causing some people some confusion. What we can do is we can do Python 2.7 TAC M, then we're going to go use pip, and let's go ahead and install requests. And it's all been installed. So now let's go ahead and try and run that again. See what it tells us now. All right, so we've made it past importing our request module. Now we can see that there's a Colorama module that we're running into an issue with now. So let's just go ahead and do the same thing. Python 2.7 TAC M pip install Colorama. All right. Oops. Let's run this again. And there we go. Now our script is up and running. So I just wanted to address that because I did see a lot of people struggling with that. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped. If you found this helpful, if you're looking to, get more involved with Hack the Box, I do have 2 affiliate links down in the description below. So just go check them out. Which I assume if you're watching this, you're already somewhat aware of what Hack the Box does, but they do have an academy portion if you want to dive deeper. So they do offer 2 separate certifications as of right now, one for a bug bounty hunter and one for a penetration testing specialist. Fantastic platform. I love Hack the Box. As you can see, spent my own money on this stuff. All right, peace out.